Gecko was right. You are crazy.
I'm making a difference. Ain't no red tape out here.
Dagger 1-3 actual. This is Sergeant Ty. We just saw your handiwork. Airspace is clear for our pilots. Alright, now it's the main event. We have 4 hypersonics to disable, each carrying an NXT warhead. These missiles travel at Mach 5 with an intermediate range between 620 and 3,700 miles. Simply put, once launched, they could hit mainland Europe within 30 minutes. Coming up on that ridge is our overlook. Beyond, the Pact's outpost.
Right up there.
Once past the outpost, we'll need you to target the base as part of our air interdiction strategy. Taking out Pax's reserve, vehicle depots, and supplies. Once complete, it's a straight run to the base from there.
Copy that. You heard Ty. Ready up. All right, shooters. Dismount. We walk from here.
Pax patrol up ahead.
Dagger will proceed with a frontal assault. Go back. Follow our lead.
Roger that. See you on the other side, Murphy.
All right, team. Head on attack. Let's move.
Copy.
Roger that.
Cover me, I'm reloading! Marksman eliminated! Marksman down!
New objective.
No, this one's out of action. Keep moving. Weapons free!
Can't comply.
Marksman eliminated!
We can't hold them much longer.
Swapping loadout!
Out! Reloading!
Gotta love a challenge.
Gecko, call it in.
Wrong way, Marine. Viper 1-1, this is Dagger 1-3 actual. Targets in place for attack aviation, over.
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2 on approach.
Copy that, Viper. Air support inbound.
What about the silos? Got a visual?
4 confirmed.
Like the briefing said.
Doesn't hurt to be sure. You 3-letter guys never do your due diligence?
That's our cue. Sniper neutralized!
Keep pushing!
The wall's destroyed! Dagger, on me! Marksman eliminated! Target above, neutralized! Could use this.
Dagger, we're advancing past the perimeter.
Copy. Through the wall!
Patching you up!
You're a lifesaver!
MG, 50
Heavy gunner eliminated! Need a reload! Cover me!
Run, marksman! 30 meters! MG, 30 meters! I'm out!
You're gonna need that.
These fucking fools taking fire! I got spares. Here you go.
Reloading! Watch! Do incendiary round! 10 o'clock! MG! 30 meters!
I'm reloading!
Come along, reloading!
Heavy gunner eliminated! Heavy gunner eliminated! Drop some rounds for you.
Target neutralized! Good I got you, I got you.
Reloading! Cover me! Sniper eliminated! Ty, sit rep.
Packs are swarming us. Progress to Charlie is slow.
Copy that, Quebec. We're closing in on Alpha.
Copy. Make contact once you reach the first silo.
Ammo over there. Got a grenade here.
gunner down!
He's been shot!
I'm reloading! Weapon secured!
Heavy gunner eliminated! Ammo over there!
Swapping out kit. Our Air Force has been hard at work.
Fuel tanks, planes, they've got no runway.
And even if they did, they don't have ATC anymore. Couldn't have happened if we hadn't taken down their nebula.
It's giving us the edge, no doubt about it.
Front! Sniper! 60 meters! Outside!
Keep away from the fuel tanks. They can still go up.
Move now!
Need a reload!
Front! Marksman! 30 meters!
Launcher eliminated!
Over there! Knock them out! Move the line! Two o'clock! Shotgun!
Weapons free!
Copy.
Toss grenade!
Copy.
Reloading! Marksman down! MG down!
Enemy pushing in from the left!
I need cover fire! Reloading! Engineer, KIA! Sniper neutralized! Sniper eliminated! MG down!
Keep the pressure on! They're working on it!
MG down! Quebec, status report.
We're still advancing on Charlie Silo. We're up against heavy resistance.
Viper 1-1 in your airspace. Visual 1 meters, it's quick past our defensive perimeter. Don't like this, I can't take it. Requesting immediate air support, over. Mayday, mayday, Viper 1-1 is hit, going down.
Get to cover!
Contact!
Murphy, grab the RPG! Take that jet down! Take it down! Get a lock on the jet!
Murphy, now!
Take it down! Target above!
Confirm solid hit!
Again! Hit it again! Get to cover! Get to cover!
Woo! Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about!
Nice shooting, Murph.
We ain't out of the woods yet.
Come on, we've got to move on the NXT silo at Alpha.
Heavy gunner eliminated! Sending frag!
11 o'clock! Sniper! On range!
Sniper neutralized! Frag out! Hemlock, that's the first missile. Make it fast.
Fuck! The NXT's mixing!
How long till operational?
Not long, cover me!
Covering!
I got security. If this one started, sure as shit the other ones have too.
Quebec, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger.
We got a situation here. The Alpha NXC is already mixing.
Roger that. We've reached Charlie. We'll confirm once it's down.
Done!
Let's move! First silo down, Ty. Moving on to Bravo.
Pack's activity is fierce. They're circling the silos. They know the missiles are our targets. Expect heavy resistance.
Copy that. Godspeed. Weapons hot. Hacks know we're coming. 2, dismount! We need that tank! Main battle tanks coming through! Copy that, Ty. Hustle up. We ain't got long. Looks like we're going on foot.
Perfect! Get in the tank! On your right! Tank! 50 meters! On your left! Tank! At distance! 8 o'clock! Launcher! 60 meters! 7 o'clock! Launcher! 50 meters! Launcher! 60 meters!
Launcher eliminated!
Front! Tank! Long range!
Bravo, up ahead!
I'm hit! Need catching up! I'm hit! Need catching up!
Fuck, it's mixed. Murphy, the only option is to pierce the casing.
Will that work?
If we're lucky. If not, the nano compound will destabilize and obliterate us and everything within the area. Fuck.
Ty, the NXC at Bravo is fully mixed. If Delta's the same, you'll have to pierce the casing.
Understood.
You know what that might mean?
We know. Focus on you and yours, Murphy.
Hemlock, lower the launcher.
Where are you going? Dagger, cover my six! Got your back!
Shotgunner down!
Hemlock. Do it.
Casing is pierced. Bravo down. God, we made it.
Final stretch, Dagger. Head to the bunker and regroup with Quebec there. After that, we can flush out Kincaid.
Briefing suggests control room.
Then that's where we're headed.
Come in, Dagger. Do you read?
We read you, Quebec. Report.
We pierced the casing, but the pressure...
If that missile launches, well...
It won't leave the ground.
Die.
It was an honor serving with you, Dagger. Give him hell.
The honor was ours. Die. Get to cover! Eyes up. Mills, you're coming in broken but readable. Over.
Murphy, are you safe? What the hell's going on?
We're back. All KIA. And others.
The NXCs?
The hypersonics are off the board.
Good. Kincaid should be in that bunker.
Why not level it? We've already knocked out the NXCs.
Negative. I need positive identification that the HVT is eliminated. Mills out.
Boss, what do we do?
We've run Kincaid to ground. Everything he's done, everything he took from us, it ends here. He's tested us, made us question each other and our place in this fight. The hell we've been through, the people we've lost. Let's not let that be in vain. We decide how this ends, not Pax. Always faithful?
Always forward.
Always forward.
There ain't nobody I'd rather be in this fight with. Y'all ready to finish this?
Contact!
Get into position! Changing back! Weapons free!
Ammo over
SMG
there.
here!
Engaging!
On my six! Tossing frag!
Target the fuel tank!
Topside!
Movement! Weapons on! We clear?
Clear.
Clear this side.
Room's clear.
Damn it! The way to the elevator's been destroyed.
Murph, that wall. We can set charges. Might lead us somewhere.
Yeah, right into a Pax mess hall.
It's worth a Hail Mary. Mills, route to the first level's blocked. We've gone through a wall on the right.
Follow the supply room around and head up the stairs.
Where'd we be for word for blueprints?
Fucked, that's where.
Stay alert. Pax can be anywhere.
All this time, Pax was planning on launching NXC across mainland Europe.
Not just Europe. Who knows where else?
This is what they stand for. Chaos. Don't ever let that cloud your judgment.
This place is a damn maze.
With a rat waiting for us at the end of it.
How can you be sure?
He's not been anywhere else. This feels like Kincaid just waiting for us.
Contact! Front! Drone operator eliminated! Shotgun is down! Sending frag! Throwing frag! Frag out!
MG down! Clear of hostiles.
Tossing frag! Control room's on the next floor. We go up. Dagger, check your corners. Remember, he's a slippery bastard. No distractions. You get the shot, you take it. Copy?
Copy.
Whatever he throws at us up there, remember we still get to choose how it ends.
No quarter given, Marines.
I'm down! Patch me up! Patching you up!
Appreciate it. MG down! Empty! Heavy gunner eliminated!
Enemy down. I'm moving. Front. Drone operator. 30 RPG right here.
Room clear. Swapping out kit.
He's through here.
Lope, Hemlock, provide cover for Gecko and me.
What's your flank?
Lead shot.
No hesitation. You learned your lesson from the last time, eh, pal? Oh, Carter would be proud. Funny, guess some men just have to play the hero. And some men just can't shut up. Already been burned, pal. Got scars but feel nothing thanks to Carter. Although he got his though, didn't he?
Watch this piece of shit. Mills, confirm Jack Bar on Stonegate. Target is wounded but stable.
Tell Melissa Legitter says hello.
You were told to shut up!
Shut this down, Murphy.
We're bringing him in.
Can't leave this facility.
Ask her why she wants me dead so bad. You're here to clean up her loose ends.
Trying to get in your head. Same as Carter.
I'm her recruit. All this time Pat's had the backing of the CIA, you dumb fuck.
Mills!
What the fuck are you talking about?
It was all her doing, along with her cronies. They needed a big bad.
He's lying.
They fucking got one.
Georgia, Brooklyn, Carter. It's because of him. Dylan, we are doing our patriotic duty. This is how we stop this. This cannot happen again. It dies with him.
Our job
To
is...
follow orders. I'm ordering you, Marine, to finish the mission.
She'll bin you, just like me. You signed up to be a soldier, not a CIA hatchet man. Don't let patriotism get in the way of logic.
Dylan.
Secure him.
How long have you had an assassin on your team?
Hemlock.
Come on, you're all too smart to be dancing to her tune!
What's wrong with you?
Stonegate is down. He was reaching.
That knife. Mills. Mills, do you copy?
Bombs are here.
They're gonna level this place.
Kincaid said it. We're collateral.
She's gonna fucking burn us all.
Dagger, move! Now!
Air support, come in! Dagger 1-3 are still in the facility! Do you read? Comms are blocked!
It's Mills!
We're here! They're coming in for a second drop!
Get in! Ask me later. We gotta go.
We're not finished. She'll answer for this. All of it.
I've got a solution.
Fuck you! You just gunned down our solution.
It was never gonna be Kincaid. like him only care about chaos. He'd slit your throat rather than cooperate. We need another approach with Mills. And her allies.
Whether we like it or not, we're finishing this. Together.
You better hope she sings. Because Pax are gonna throw all they got at us. The brakes are off.
Yes, I have plans within Pax. Nearly a dozen. I'm their only lifeline, and Kincaid knew it. He sent a team to get List and take them out.
Maybe. Or maybe the team was coming to extract you. You had a go-bag packed and ready.
I always have a bag packed!
You tried to kill us.
No, that's
Are you gonna
not...
deny you sent B-21s to bomb us out of existence?
That was the hardest call I've ever had to make in my career.
You built Pax. You diverted the funds and trained the operatives to construct your own private army.
Not private. It was sanctioned. You think I built Pax alone? It's been building for a generation. Thanks to entrenched political powers, the military-industrial complex, and the CIA. All their interests came together. I'm a part of it, but still just a part. Our country thrives with a common enemy. It's what holds her together.
We've got no shortage of enemies.
No shit. It's too fucking messy. These guys consolidated every flag-burning, great Satan shouting death to America chanter on the planet into one bucket. About a whisper of nukes or NXC? And ain't that a bad guy we can all share?
Until one of your carefully cultivated assets takes over.
You want us to believe that the CIA created Pax?
Ask Hemlock. He knows.
Kiss my ass.
I think you tried to kill us because Kincaid was telling the truth. I think you're just tying up loose ends.
She's too dangerous to the country. The patriotic thing to do? Stack her like firewood, leave her for the cleanup crew.
I don't do executions.
We don't do executions.
Wait. Okay, my ops are still my ops. I'm the only one they'll talk to.
You sure they even still work for you?
Every person believed they were smarter than I am is no longer alive. And I've never had to pull a trigger. You must have arranged exfil through Hemlock's contingencies. They're probably in your ear right now telling you to take me in, but I'm telling you, if you take me in, they take me out.
That's all right.
What's the plan here, boss?
She helped create Pax. It was her man, Kincaid, who stole Project Velis. He was there because of her. He supplied Pax with NXC, and he tried to kill the president.
And he killed Az.
Not only did she try to erase us, but she's best pals with the worst enemy that we've had in decades. Every breath that she draws is another opportunity to whisper into their ears.
Maybe, if it's just her, but we don't know how high it goes.
You trying to start a war with the CIA?
No, I'm trying to end one.
Then how is she useful to us?
That is not the fucking question!
Copy.
You just got the order, didn't you?
Boss.
It's official. I know what I gotta do. Everybody, move.
Stopped raining.
Storm's past.
No. It's just a break. Worst is still to come.
Murphy, just...
There's nothing left to say.